Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get AUTOCLICKER on iOS and Android. Now the first step is only for the iOS. What you should do is to simply go to the settings, then go to general settings and go to option background app refresh, and make sure that you have this option turned on. And to do that, you just have to click on it, then choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. And once you finish, now you'll have to go to the second step. And the second step is for both Android and iOS. Now you should go to settings and go to the battery options, and you should make sure to turn off the battery saver or low battery mode. So I'm gonna search for battery, then click on battery and performance, or click on any battery mode. Then you should now go to the current mode and make sure that you don't have the battery saver or ultra battery saver mode. You just have to give it the balanced mode or the performance mode or any normal mode that you can actually use. So you'll have to turn off the battery saver. Now go back, and now I want you to go and open App Store or Play Store or whatever store that you have, or you can simply go and open Google and you should type here itwig.com, then click on this link right here. Then it will open this website right here. Now you should search for AUTOCLICKER, and you have this one right here, AUTOCLICKER. This one, you just have to click on start now, then try to do the steps that they will ask you to do and install it on your phone. And I showed you this method just in case that you cannot actually find the App Store or Play Store having some AUTOCLICKER applications. But in most cases, when you open the App Store or Play Store and search here for AUTOCLICKER, you can simply find several applications, so you can simply go and download them from the official App Store or Play Store. I just showed you the previous method on Google, on iTwig website, just in case that you do not have actually the Play Store or App Store installed, or if you have a problem downloading apps with them. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.